I'm going to Terminal 4, please.
Sure. Please fasten your seatbelt.
How long will it take?
About 10 minutes. I will turn left, then go straight and take the second exit.
Great, thank you.
No problem. We're almost there. Terminal 4 is on your right.
Perfect, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Hi there. I need to go to Terminal 2, please.
Of course. Welcome. Please make sure your seatbelt is fastened.
Thank you. I'm a bit late. Do you think we'll make it in time?
Don't worry. It usually takes around 12 minutes, but I'll take the fastest route.
That's great. I really appreciate it.
I'll take the ramp on the right, then continue straight and pass the traffic light.
Okay, sounds good.
After that, I'll make a left turn at the roundabout and follow the signs for Terminal 2.
How will I know when we arrive?
I'll let you know. You'll also see the Terminal 2 sign above the entrance.
Perfect. Thank you for the help.
No problem at all. We're arriving now. Terminal 2 is just ahead, on the left.
Awesome. Thanks again. Have a great day.
You too. Safe travels.